up everyone? Thanks for being here. In this episode part 222 minus 222 which equals 0 times 222 minus 222 equals 0. Now we have this problem 0 times 0 which equals 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication 222 times 222 equals 49,284. So we have 222 minus 49,284 minus 222, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 222 minus 49,284 which equals minus 49,062. So we have minus 49,062 minus 222 which equals minus 49,284. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.